Introducing the Stingray Sprayer by Tomahawk, your ultimate partner for food plot spraying. Versatile and efficient, it effortlessly connects to your truck, trailer, skid steer, or ATV, putting you in control. Powered by reliable Dewalt, Milwaukee, and Makita power tool batteries, it lets you cover an impressive 3 acres on a single charge. But there's more. The Stingray Sprayer is equipped with wireless remote to turn it on and off from the convenience of your vehicle, and a spot sprayer that is ideal for those challenging, hard-to-reach areas. Elevate your spraying game with the Stingray Sprayer by Tomahawk and watch your food plots thrive, attracting more game for more successful hunts. Visit our website at tomahawkattachments.com or call us at 616-780-2985 to get started. Stingray Sprayer by Tomahawk, where precision, efficiency, and convenience meet all in one.